Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. So today I will be showing you how I clean my used lashes. I already used this one. Then I will just make water hot. The water, like, you can dip your hand inside, that will not burn your hand. Drop a little shower soap inside the water, then use them to like soak the eyelashes inside. After then, you take your brush you use to brush your eyebrow. If you want to draw your eyebrow, you use to clean the glue out. As the water meant the glue, it will be easy for the glue to just come out. So you will repeat this process until your eyelashes finish. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Try your own, don't throw away your eyelashes because it's going to look new. You just have to fix it back where you take it out. That will be all of this video. Thank you, keep watching, enjoy, bye, and see you in my next video.
Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh, I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh, I'll give you love and affection, I'll give you love and protection. Money, go